Top drop, don't stop. Fast lives matter. Let's get out here and catch some fish, baby. Oh, there we go, guys. There we go. Got an underwater fight. Got an underwater fight. Get up in this boat. We still rocking with the chatter, baby. We still rocking with that chatter. I don't know how we roll. Chatter's still gonna make it happen, baby. Let's get it. Woo! Don't I love it? Right at that roof. Pinned right up at the top of that roof of that pond. Let's get it. Let's go and have some fun. There you go, guys. On the rattle trap. On the rattle trap. Choke that trap. Choke that trap, damn it. Choke that trap. Choke that trap, guys. Choke them. Gotta get this out. See if we can get this out clean. There we go. Let's go and shake that monkey. Fish monkey, that is. Let's get it. As always, thanks for the support, tight lines, and happy holidays. We ain't done yet, guys. This is what we call the X-Files when I go Black Aquaman style. Damn it, damn it, damn it. I feel like Florida Evans. Damn, damn, damn. Just missed him on the troll, dog.